What was your role in the independent living movement? Lower Rauscher, Boston,
I worked for
Massachusetts.
Judy my first year out of college, and I thought I was, to me it was like having the opportunity to work for Gloria Steinem, you know, the sort of queen of independent living, and have exposure to Ed and other people who were really the leaders of the movement at the time. So I worked for her. I also spent many years after that working in independent living centers. I worked in Hawaii with Michael Winter and a variety of folks who started a whole movement in Hawaii, and then came back to the East Coast, and I've done policy work and actually spent a good chunk of my career working in public health, trying to raise awareness of the health needs of people with disabilities, and that being disabled didn't necessarily mean you were sick, and trying to shift health, medical professionals' views of what health could be for people with disabilities. So I spent a lot of years working on that until I recently came back to Western Mass and started working at Smith College. I've worked in higher ed and worked in public policy, and I also have spent a lot of time doing educational work about attitudes toward disability, trying to help people look at the way that disabled people are oppressed in our society and how we can shift that, both as people with disabilities and without. So I spent a lot of time consulting and doing training about that.